Welcome back to At Home with Carla. This is where I share my almost daily life with family, friends, some DIY projects, some cooking, a little bit of everything. Thanks for watching, and we'll get on with the day. To what to make for supper, and I just threw some carrots in there, and then I'll steam them. And then once they get half done, I'll throw in some cauliflower and see what else. I found this adorable cup at Klinger's. Isn't that cute? And it's big, and it holds probably 2 or 3 cups of coffee. At least two anyway. Yeah, a couple cups. And that's so cool. I was hoping they'd had more, and it was only $8. I mean, if you really love something, what's $8, right? Well, today is Tuesday. I'm going to head into work, but before I'm leaving, I'm going to make I made a nice salad. And I think I'll put a little dressing and then head out the door. Well, hi guys. Glad you're here. I just got done work and I peeked my head out the door and it's pretty chilly out there, so I'm not looking forward to going out. It's 6:15, and good news is I got an email from a lady that might be interested in co-renting the space with us on weekends only. So that would help on the rent, and she's very nice. I can't wait to meet her. So I'm looking forward to that. It's funny how those little things in life can make you really happy. So, but anyway, hope you're having a good day. Talk to you later. Decide to go to Menards. I'm going to look at the pine boards, see if I can find some that would be just right for my porch sign that I want to make. But I happen to notice there's a lot of police officers over there at Menards. So we'll have to see what's going on. I don't know. Hope it's not a robbery. Oh, they turned their lights off, but they're still there. Oh, that's good. Must be safe. Yay, I got a spot right in front. Right by the Menard truck. Save big money at Menards. Well, I found my pine board. Isn't it handsome? Menards. So cute. That's pretty cute too.
This one you like?
Oh,
Got a lot of lights. We like a lot of lights. Well, here's a 90-day gallery.
What about this one?
it must be blowing up from air. It's cute. Aww. Time to head out, and the best part is coming later in this video, so stay tuned. I thought I'd stop at the car wash first before heading home.
Please enter your code by touching the corresponding. Please select one of the following options.
And my eyes cannot adjust to the flames. Tell me what you see now. We are two mariners, a ship's sole survivors in this belly of a whale. We can make a new start. We can make a new name.
Welcome back. Today is Thursday, and I have my letters here ready to be painted. I have some white paint that I'm going to paint them, and it's exterior paint. And then over here I have the birch wood board that I have, or pine, excuse me, it's a pine board, and I got that at Menards last night. And then I'm going to paint it either brown or black, and then put the letters on there. I can't wait. But I had a little visitor this afternoon, so this project is put on hold for a little bit. And here he is. Oh, peekaboo. Whee! Is it time to paint the pine board? Yeah. Well, I tapped it open. I have the deck stain ready to go on my pine board. And I did get the white lettering done. Well, the first coat. I have to do a second coat. But I thought I would give this a shot. And the white will pop against it. So we'll see how that goes. I'll show you when I get that all done. Alright, I got the first coat done. It looks pretty nice. Now I'm going to flip it and do the other side. Alright, this is just the start of it. I didn't have much room for my project room is kind of occupied with dogs right now, but son cut this board, and then we'll glue that on there with some strong glue. And then I'm going to put this Christmas ribbon on there and then make sure it stays underneath. And then whoever gets this or buys it, if we keep it, we can take this Christmas ribbon off and then put spring, fall, etc., winter. But it's almost done. And I just have to line these up. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Either a couple inches from the side. I think it looks pretty good. And then up here I have the same thing. I put a board there. And then the ribbon. And then I got some little bells I'm going to put on there. Actually, the ribbon I got at the dollar store. And the little cute bells and ribbon. So it'll look really nice and Christmassy once it's all done here and complete. My dad used to like to do some woodworking, and my dad, when he retired, he made wooden beds for the kids, and it was so neat because the mattress would just fit inside. It was awesome. He also made some planters for some flowers and things like that. And my husband made tables, and my brother, he likes to woodwork, and so it's in the family. It's pretty neat. Our son, our daughter, son-in-law, everybody's really handy with the tools. All right, I finished it. To get some light on the subject. It's all done. Got my Christmas decoration, and the new owners can take the ribbon off and put in springtime or fall decorations on there. And then I finished it all up. So I didn't think I'd get it done today, but I did. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Quote of the day is,